how to get Canva Pro for free. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, if you open Canva and if you click on Start 30-day Pro Trial, today free trial for 30 days, cancel anytime. You just need to add your payment method and you'll get free trial for 30 days. And after that, you can cancel as well if you don't like it. And another how you can get Canva Pro for free is by education services. Like you will need to add your student ID card, which is verified, and in that way Canva will review if your ID is valid and give you. And you also find businesses options. If you're NGO non-profited business, you can get Canva Pro for free, but you will need to make sure everything is valid and send them your valid request. This is how to get Canva Pro for free. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.